You had a bad day. You caved and bought the thing. And right now, that voice is telling you you're back to square one. You're not. What just happened in your brain is the opposite of what you think. You know this one. The package arrives, you open it, and for a second, maybe half a second, there's something, a spark. Then it's gone. And what replaces it is worse than whatever you felt before you clicked buy. It's not disappointment exactly. It's this hollow echo, like your brain is asking a question it already knows the answer to. Most people call this a bad day, a setback, maybe even a relapse. The voice in your head has a script for this part. You did it again. You're back to square one. You'll never change. But what if that crash, that exact hollow sinking moment, is the single most productive thing your brain did today? Because your brain isn't failing when that happens. It's updating. And the update it's running is one of the most powerful mechanisms in neuroscience. By the end of this, you'll understand why the days you think you're failing and the days you think you're winning are doing the same thing. And it might change how you see every day of recovery from here. Here's what's happening in that moment. Your brain runs on predictions. Before you bought that thing, it made a prediction. This purchase will bring relief. That model is old. It was built over hundreds of purchases, maybe thousands. Shopping equals relief. That's the equation your brain has been running for years. But today, the equation didn't work. You bought the thing, the relief didn't come. And that gap between what your brain predicted and what it actually got has a name. It's called prediction error. Prediction error sounds clinical. It's not. It's the hollow feeling, the why did I do this again? The sinking. That's what prediction error feels like from the inside. And here's what matters. Prediction error is how your brain rewrites its models. It's not a glitch, it's the update mechanism. Every time the old equation fails, shopping equals relief, but relief doesn't arrive, your brain weakens that connection. Not all at once, slowly, like pulling nails out of a board, one at a time. That crash you felt today, that wasn't a step backward. That was demolition. Your brain tearing down a belief that no longer holds. But there's something happening on the other days too, and it's not what you think it is. Think about the days that feel different, the ones where you close the tab, where you put the phone down and make dinner instead, where the urge rises and you just let it pass. You probably think of those as the good days, the progress, the proof that you're getting stronger. They are, but not in the way you think. On those days, your brain isn't checking a willpower box. It's not adding a tally mark to some resistance scorecard. It's doing something deeper. It's building an identity. Not, I'm someone who resists shopping, something quieter. I'm someone who doesn't need to. That distinction matters more than almost anything in recovery. Resistance is exhausting. Identity is effortless. One is a fight, the other is just who you are now. So you'd think the picture is clear. Bad days are setbacks, good days are progress. Demolition and construction on separate tracks, pulling in opposite directions. But that's not what's happening at all. The crash days and the win days are the same mechanism, running on two tracks, demolition and construction, happening simultaneously, driven by the same process of your brain updating its model of who you are and what you need. Think of it like renovating a house. The crew tearing out the old walls and the crew framing the new ones, they're not fighting each other. They're not even different crews. It's the same renovation, same blueprint, same job. You just didn't recognize it because demolition looks like destruction and construction looks like progress. From the inside, they feel like opposite days. From the perspective of your brain, they're both days of renovation. Which means the question most people ask in recovery, when do the bad days stop, is the wrong question entirely. The bad days don't stop, not the way you want them to. They become less frequent, yes, but that's not the point. The point is that the bad days are necessary, not as punishment, not as evidence of weakness, as demolition. Without the crashes, the old model stays intact. Your brain keeps predicting that shopping equals relief and never gets the error signal that says otherwise. The crashes are the correction. They're painful, but they're productive. And without the wins, without the days you close the tab, make dinner, sit with the discomfort, there's nothing being built in the space the demolition created. You just have an empty lot. Recovery isn't what happens when the bad days finally stop. It's what the bad days and the good days are building together. Every crash weakens the old model a little more. Every small win strengthens the new one. And neither can do the job alone. So the next time the package arrives and you open it and that hollow echo comes, the one that makes you think you've lost again, try holding it differently. Not as failure, not as proof that you'll never change, but as the sound of something old coming apart. Because right next to it, maybe tomorrow, maybe an hour from now, something new is being built. And it's being built by the same part of you. The crashes and the wins were never pulling you in opposite directions. They were the same renovation, the same crew, the same quiet, relentless work of becoming someone new. You were never failing on those days. You were being renovated.
If any of this felt familiar, I want you to know you're not alone in this. Come find us at Retail Therapy Unplugged, and I'll see you there.